In this short video, I'll be showing you how to convert your greenhouse synthesizer into a greenhouse blowdown parallel evaporator. Once you've completed all your reactions, you may want to evaporate your solvents from the 24 reaction tubes. One way to do this is to take the reaction block, which has been designed to fit inside a Genovac vacuum centrifuge. Another way to do this is to take your greenhouse synthesizer and convert it into a greenhouse blowdown unit. This allows you to evaporate your 24 reactions in situ. This then also gives you a personal and compact evaporation solution in your fume hood. The greenhouse blowdown unit uses a controlled flow of inert gas and digital heat control. This allows you to evaporate your samples. The digital heat control and the absence of a vacuum allows you to protect your samples and prevent any bumping. The greenhouse blowdown head can also be used to upgrade your greenhouse synthesizer and your reaction block to give you parallel evaporation. Remove the existing reflux head from your greenhouse synthesizer and replace it with the blowdown head. For the greenhouse reaction tubes, you need the 6x4 blowdown pin plate. In a separate video, I'll show you how easy it is to change this pin plate when using different tubes or vials in the blowdown unit. To attach the blowdown head, use these locating pins when positioning on top of the chamber and then seal using the two metal sealing knobs. Once these knobs are hand tight, this will ensure the chamber is gas tight. The converted greenhouse blowdown unit can also be placed on top of a sterile hot plate, as long as the top plate diameter is 135mm. There is also a port on the centre of the blowdown unit that allows you to take a PT1000 temperature probe and put it directly inside the blowdown unit. Connect the flow meter to a suitable regulated inert gas supply, not exceeding 0.5 bar or 7 psi. Then connect the gas outlet tube of the flow meter to the inlet of the greenhouse blowdown head. Then connect the gas outlet from the greenhouse blowdown evaporator to the inlet at the top of the condenser. Ensure the condenser is properly secured and clamped in place. Screw the solvent collection flask to the bottom of the condenser. Fill the reservoir of the condenser with dry ice and acetone. If the reaction tubes are less than half full, slowly and carefully open the flow meter valve until the flow rate is 10 to 15 litres per minute. When the flow rate is correct, you should see a dimple in the solvent surface in each of your tubes. Switch on the heating control on the stirring hot plate. Normally 40 degrees Celsius is enough and shouldn't normally cause decomposition of the product. However, this temperature may be increased for higher boiling point solvents such as DMF or reduced for thermally less stable compounds. Here you have converted the greenhouse synthesizer into a greenhouse blowdown unit. This allows you to evaporate samples without transferring them to another piece of equipment. If you wish to use other tubes and vials, we have the blowdown base adapter. However, you may also need to change your pin plate that's in the head. This will be explained in another video in the greenhouse blowdown evaporator. Watch the other videos in the series to see how you can set up the greenhouse synthesizer and also how to use it. But also, if you need to work up and purify your samples, we also have the greenhouse workup station. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions, please go to our website and download the instruction manual. Or you can talk to a technical sales specialist.